Good afternoon, students, and congratulations, you are all passed and come to 6th standard. I'll be taking your math subject. Today we'll be starting the first chapter, knowing your numbers. In this chapter we'll be studying 8 focus points. The first is comparison of numbers. So today we'll be doing comparison of numbers. Comparison of numbers. Now there are two ways in which we can compare the numbers. Which is the bigger number? Here if you see the object, looking at the object, you can see that this object is bigger and this is the smaller. So one way of understanding or one way of comparing the object is by looking at its size. Now, which is the larger object? Now here larger object we can find out using the measurement or weighing the object. Now if 1 kg of apples and 1 ton of apples, if I keep on side, looking at it or measuring it, you can make out that this 1 kg is smaller and 1 ton is the larger. If I give you 1 dozen of bananas, in this 1 dozen of banana and 11 bananas separately, when you weigh these two, you will find out that the 1 dozen banana, that means 1 dozen will have 12 bananas. So weight of these 12 bananas will be more compared to 11 bananas if they are of the same size. So to understand whether the number is, whether to understand any object, whether it is larger or smaller, we can see the object and find out whether the object is larger or bigger, or by quantitative knowledge, that is by measurement or by weight. Now these two friends, Shrijit and Suresh, they went to buy a watch in a shop. So now there were different varieties of watches here with different cost price. Okay, so different rates are given. Now they have to decide, depending upon the cost, they have to buy the watch. So they have to find out which watch is of the lower cost and which is of the higher cost, or which watch will, how much they have to pay for which watch. Now here they had given 5 watches. So how they will compare which watch is of lowest price and which is a highest price? So they should know, when they have to compare the cost, they should know the ascending order and descending order. So how to do the ascending order and descending order? For that we need to do the comparison. So what is ascending order? When we arrange the numbers according to the smallest value to the greatest value, we call it ascending order. From lower value, when we go to the higher value, that is called ascending order. So if they arrange all the cost of these watches in ascending order, they will be able to find out which is the lowest cost and which is the highest cost. When we arrange the numbers according to the greater value to the smallest value, we call it descending order. Here arranging this watches from higher value to the lower value or greatest value to the smallest value, we call it as descending order. Now in this 5 watches, if you see, there are 5 numbers which are given. Now how to write the ascending order? If you see this first digit of these numbers, okay, 4 and this is 1. So among this, which is the highest, okay, we'll do the ascending order. So which is the lowest number? We will see that 1 is the lowest number. That means this watch is of the lowest cost, or this is the smallest. Okay, this is the smallest number. Okay, after 1 we see that one more 1 is there. So we will see the next digit. Here it is 7 and here it is 8. So 8 is greater than 7. So this is the second highest price. Then we look at the next digit here. Now we have done with this, we have done with this. So here the remaining 3 watches, if you see the first digit 2, 3 and 4, that means 2350 will be the third highest. This is 3 digit here, so it will be the fourth highest, and here it is 4, so this will be the fourth highest, sorry, the fifth highest. So this way we can arrange it in the ascending order. Now how to arrange in the descending order? Here if you see the numbers, 4 is the maximum number, it is the highest number. So we will write 4920. After 4920, which is the next highest from this remaining 4, that is 3175. This is the next highest number. Then we see the first digit is 2000. Among these 3, 1, 2 and 3, this is the highest. So we will write 2350 as the third highest number. Among these two, if you see, now here if you see 1 and 1, the first digits are same. So we go to the next digit. This is 7 and this is 8. So this is the next highest number. So this way we will arrange the ascending or descending. Ascending is increasing order and descending is decreasing order. We'll solve few examples where you will get clear your understanding about ascending and descending. Example, arrange the following numbers in the ascending order. Now here they are given 5 numbers. So when you have to arrange in the ascending order, first thing is you have to check how many digits are present in each number. Here if you see there are 3, 3, 3, 3 and 3. So okay, so number of digits are 3. So they all are equal in number. Then second step we will see first digit. Okay, now the first digit of every number we have to check. Now here it is 3, 4, 1, 1 and 5. So when we are writing the ascending order, that is we will be writing the increasing number. So first we will find out the smallest. So these 2 numbers, they are the smallest. Now in these 2 numbers 182 and 112. Now here if you compare the first digit, they are same. So we go to the next digit. Now in next digits if you see 8 is the highest and 1 is the smallest. So in ascending order 112 will be the smallest number. After 112, 182 will be the next smallest number. So we are done with this 2. Now there are remaining 3 numbers. So in these 3 numbers, again we will go to the first digit. If you see here, 3 is the lowest or the smallest in this 3. So 3, 4 and 5. So 3 is the smallest digit. So we write 387. Among this, now this is gone. So 426 and 517. Again we compare the first digit. So if you see 4 and 5, 426 is the smallest between these 2. So we will write it, and the last one is 517. So this way you will be writing the ascending orders. Now descending orders. Second example, the descending orders. If you see here, they all are 3 digits. Okay. First step, all numbers we have to calculate how many digits are there in each number. So there are 3 here, 3, 3 in all these 5 numbers. Second step, we will be seeing the highest first digit, which is the highest among these 5. we are doing descending, so we will be finding the greatest number. So if you see, 9 is the highest among all this, so you will write 937. Now this is gone, which is the in the remaining 4 digits, 714 and 720. So 714 and 720. So now these first 2 digits are same, so you go to the next digit. So 1 and 2, so 2 is the highest one, so we will be writing 720 and then 714. Now these 2 are gone, so we are left with 635 and 268. So between these two numbers, 635 is the greatest and 2. So this way you will be writing the descending order. Example 2. There are 4 saplings with different heights they have given you. Now based on this image, we have to write some answers. So first question they are asking, which sapling is the shortest? So among these saplings, if you see, they had given the height of these saplings. So if you see, all these numbers are with 3 digits. Okay, first number, if you see for the first digit, all the digits are 1. So you go to the second digit, 2, 1, 1 and 1. So this is the highest, so they have asking you the shortest one. So we go to the third digit, so this is 1. So in this 3, if you see, 114, 118 and 116. So the third digit 4 is the smallest, so this plant is the shortest. The second way of writing the answer is, looking at the image, you can find out that this is the smallest. So visual also, with the help of your visual imagination, we can find out whether this is the smallest and this is the tallest. Okay, but among these two you may get confused, so this is the better way to find the answer. Which sapling is the tallest? So looking at the visual, we come to know that this is the tallest. Also you can compare the numbers. If you see, this is the second digit. In all the other numbers, they are 1, and in this it is 2. So this is the tallest. The sapling A is the tallest. Write the heights of the sapling in the increasing order. Increasing order means ascending order. So how you will write here? Now you have 3 numbers. So ascending order means you will be starting from the smallest value to the greatest value. So how to find the smallest value? First we will count the number of digits. So they all are 3. The second, you will see the second digit. So here it is 2. Here it is 1, 1 and 1. So this is the highest. So we have to check among these 3 numbers. So now here if you see, the second digits are same, 1, 1, 1. So you go to the third digit. So in third digit, if you see, 4, 8 and 6. So 4 is the smallest. So in increasing order, I will write 1, 1, 4 as the smallest. Now these 2 are remaining. In these 2, if you see, the third digit is 6 here, and in this third digit is 8. So 6 is smaller than 8. So we will write 1, 1, 6 and then 1, 1, 8. Now the remaining is 1, 20. So this is in the increasing order or ascending order. Now if you want to write in decreasing order, so same way, first you will count the number, how many digits are there in this number. So they all are 3. Then you will go to the first digit. So all are 1. You go to the next digit. So 2 is the highest among the 4. So 120 will be the highest digit here. The next will be 8, so 118, then 116 and 114. So this way you will be writing decreasing order of the heights of the sapling. Now here we will be solving one example. I'll solve two examples and the remaining two you will solve on your own. Find the greatest and the smallest number among the following. Now your student, the first step is you have to count the how many digits are there in this number. So here in the first digit there are 7 numbers, in the second digit there are 6 numbers, here there is 3, 7 and 6. So this 173 have minimum digits in the number, that is only 3. So this is the smallest number, and the remaining, if you see, this is 7, 6 and 7, 6, 7 and 7. So now you have to compare between these two digits. So first step is we have compared the how many numbers are there in the, how many digits are there in the number. The second we will see the first digit. So here it is 4 and here it is 6. So this is the greatest number. So 6153603 is the greatest and this is the smallest. So we will go to the next example B. Here if you see, the first digit is 3, the first number is with 3 digits, the second number is with 7 digits, the third is with 3 digits, the next number is with 6 digits and again 3 digits. So now 194, 487 and 802. So these three numbers have same number of digits, that is 333. So here how you will find out? We'll go to the first digit. So first digit is 1 in this number. So this is the smallest number. So we will write 194 is the smallest number. Now the remaining digits, if you see, this is 7 digits and this is 6 digits. So definitely 7 digit number will be the greatest number. So you will be writing 7 digit number as the, that 65,47,942 is the greatest number. I hope students till here you must have understood. Now next step will be forming the smallest and greatest number using the digits. Now here if I have given some digits, okay, so they have given 6 digits in the number here and you have to find the greatest and the smallest number. So how to do that? Here if you see all these numbers, now 0 is the smallest and 9 is the biggest, but you cannot start any number from 0. The 0 in units place will not have, the 0 in the first place will have no value. So we start from the second 2 as the smallest number. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 digits. So we will write 6 places. Okay, now for first we have to find the greatest number. Greatest number, so among this which is the highest number? 9. So I'll write first 9. The next one is 7. So I will write 7. After 7 which is the, 8. So after 8 which is the highest number? 7. After 7 the remaining numbers are 2, 3 and 0. So which is the highest number? 3. The next highest number is 2 and the last one is 0. So this way you will find the greatest number. Now to find the smallest number, again there are 6 digits, so we will write 6 places. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now you can't start with 0. If you start with 0, that 0 will have no value. So you go to the next highest number. So which is the next highest number is 2. After 2 you write 0. Now 0 and 2 are gone. So which is the next highest number is 3. So you will write 3. After 3, which is the next highest number is 7, then 8 and then 9. So this way you will be writing the greatest numbers and the smallest number. Here it is given that you cannot write 0 here. If you write 0 here, the number becomes 6-digit number and not the 7-digit number. So they have asked us to find the 7-digit number. Then once you know the greatest number and the smallest number, they have asked you to find the difference between them. Now difference between them means you have to subtract these two numbers. Okay, so once you subtract these numbers, you get the answer as 7835331. So this way you will be finding the smallest and you will be forming the smallest and greatest number using any number of digits. Thank you, students.